Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo Thinkpad X360. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing guys, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip the computer over to access our bottom case screws. You have these 5 screws on the bottom case. After you remove those screws, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it'll scratch your case far less than a metal one will. And you're going to go around the seam of your bottom case and pry it off from the rest of your computer. Go nice and slow, be careful but firm. Don't put the pry tool too far in, you could damage some internal components. Just go on the edge, and if you get stuck going in one direction, leave it, start in the other corner, and go around in the other direction. After you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything when you're working on the computer. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, there'll be a link above. Also below in the description, that will be a list of all the tools and supplies that I use in my shop, as well as again, all the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model, the ThinkPad X390. Your battery is right down here. It's held down by 4 screws, and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. Now this goes for any wire or cable in a computer. Try to avoid pulling on it as much as possible. Sometimes they can get damaged. Sometimes you can even pull them right out of the plug. So if possible, just grab the plug and pull that straight down toward the battery to get it out of that port. This battery is a 48 watt-hour battery, 11.46 volts. The model number, if you're looking for your own replacement, is L18M6PD1. I will have all that information below in the description for you. And if you would like help finding a replacement, I will have a replacement battery option in that link I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. And I guess the last thing to mention about this kind of an operation, if you're here because your computer's not turning on, it could be a bad battery. You may have to replace it. But keep in mind that most laptops, even with a bad battery, should still turn on and function well with the charger plugged in. So if your computer is not turning on at all, there may be a different reason other than just a bad battery. If you would like help troubleshooting why your laptop is not turning on, there will be a video tutorial link above, also below in the description, and that will show you the troubleshooting process for finding out why your laptop's not turning on and how to fix it. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your ThinkPad X390 and access your battery. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.